Hello, my friends, yoga lovers. Struggling with persistent back pain can be quite bothersome, right? Luckily, integrating yoga into your routine can bring relief. Explore these 9 soothing asanas designed to alleviate back discomfort. Cat-cow pose, Marjaryasana Bitilasana. Start your practice with this classic warm-up to experience fluid and graceful movements. Inhale deeply, arching your back like a wave, and exhale slowly, rounding your back. Repeat 5 to 10 times to awaken and energize your entire back. Twisted Cobra Pose, Triyak Bhujangasana. This pose variation involves twisting the spine for a side stretch. Lift your chest and twist to the right and left, mimicking a snake's movement. Repeat 3 to 5 times for spine flexibility, especially along the lateral muscles. Camel Pose, Ustrasana. It opens the front of the body. Kneel with knees hip-width apart, place hands on the lower back for support, lift the chest, and arch backward. Repeat 3 to 5 times to engage and strengthen spine muscles. Half Moon Pose, Ardchandrasana. A balancing asana resembling a half moon. Start standing, extend one leg back, and flex the foot. Place one hand on the floor, extending the opposite arm upward. Repeat 3 to 5 times for improved lung capacity and relief in back pain. Bridge Pose, Setu Bandhasana. Opens the chest, activates the back and glutes. Lift your hips, envisioning energy flowing through your spine. Allow your shoulders to relax, holding for 5 to 10 breaths. Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana. Stretches the chest, abdomen, and strengthens the entire back. With each lift, imagine shedding tension layers. Keep your navel connected to the mat, holding for 5 to 10 breaths. Crocodile Pose, Macasana. As your forearms rest on the mat, feel an opening through your chest and heart center. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, embracing calm and tranquility. Markadasana, Monkey Pose. Enhances spinal flexibility and mobility, targeting the thoracic spine. Lie on your back, arms extended, and gently twist your knees from side to side. Repeat 3 to 5 times for a soothing spinal stretch. Knees to chest pose, Panasana. Relieves lower back tension and promotes digestive comfort. Hug your knees, syncing your breath with a gentle rock for self-care. Hold for 3 to 5 minutes. Remember to listen to your body, modify poses as needed, and consult a healthcare professional if feel pain.